Welcome back to my channel, Try and Test. Today we're checking out the smartest kitchen gadgets that make cooking faster, cleaner, and way more fun, from clever prep tools to game-changing appliances. All product download links are in the description below, so grab a coffee, hit those links, and let's get started. 1. Xylus Classic Rotary Cheese Grater. If you love fresh shreds on everything from pizza to salads, this tiny workhorse hand crank grater is a tiny workhorse. Its smooth rotary action and restaurant-grade NSF drum create uniform, fine shreds of hard cheeses, chocolate, nuts, and even firm veggies in seconds. The ergonomic handle is built to turn easily and won't slip during big batches, while the stainless steel construction feels solid and made to last. Pop the drum out for a quick rinse or toss it in the dishwasher. The result is pro-level texture with hardly any effort. 2. BCM Viku Graduated Glass Measuring Cup. Baking and precision cooking get a confidence boost with this clear 500 milliliter, 16 ounces or 2-cup glass measure. Crisp, easy-to-read graduations and a V-shaped spout make pouring seamless and drip-free, and the high borosilicate glass stands up to fridge, microwave, and oven temperatures. The insulated handle stays comfortable with hot liquids, and the sleek, stain-resistant design makes it a dependable, attractive go-to for prep or serving at the table. 3. Tasia Vegetable Peeler. 2 reliable peelers that glide through tough skins like potatoes, carrots, and apples thanks to razor-sharp straight blades. Each tool has a non-slip handle for secure grip even when wet, and the ergonomic design works for lefties or righties. Rust-resistant and easy to clean, this pair is perfect for stocking your drawer with durable peelers that speed up prep and reduce waste. 4. FYTTL Egg and Banana Slicer. One press, perfectly even slices, this handy cutter handles hard-boiled eggs, bananas, strawberries, and even kiwis with stainless steel and aluminum cutting wires that produce uniform pieces every time. It's heavy-duty yet lightweight, shaped for comfort and dishwasher-safe for quick cleanup. Great for kids' lunches, quick salads, or elegant platters. Consistent cuts without the mess. 5. Cool Night Herb Grinder. Rapidly turns herbs, spices, coffee beans, or nuts into a fine, consistent grind thanks to a powerful motor and roomy chamber. A built-in pollen catcher separates the finest particles for clean results, and one-touch operation plus USB recharging make it portable and fuss-free. Sleek and sturdy, it's the compact way to get professional quality powders and freshly ground flavor at home. Number 6. Fixa Bacon Grease Container. Keep flavorful drippings organized and ready to reuse with this 2-liter stainless steel keeper. The integrated strainer separates solids, the airtight lid and pour spout stops spills and odors, and the heat-safe, rust-resistant body stores neatly on the counter or in the fridge. Save fat for frying or baking, hello richer cornbread, and cut waste while adding real depth to recipes. Number 7. Star Blue Double Waffle Bowl Maker. Create 2 edible waffle bowls in minutes, perfect vessels for ice cream, yogurt, salads, or dips. Non-stick plates and precise temperature control deliver consistent, crispy results without sogginess, and the compact, user-friendly machine preheats quickly for repeatable batches. The twin design handles family portions, cleanup is simple, and it's a fast way to make eye-catching dessert and snack presentations. Number 8. Bella Make and Take Electric Skillet. A portable all-around cooker with an easy-release ceramic coating for lower-fat cooking and no-stick cleanup. The cast aluminum base spreads heat evenly, the adjustable temp control gives you sauté, fry, or simmer precision, and the tempered glass lid is dishwasher-safe. Compact for tailgates, dorms, or tiny kitchens, it's a versatile pan that replaces multiple cookware pieces and makes cleanup painless. Number 9. Ninja Crispy Pro 6-in-1 Glass Air Fryer. This multifunction cooker includes 2 clear glass vessels, one larger, one smaller, and handles air fry, bake, roast, re-crisp, dehydrate, and max crisp up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for that crunchy texture with very little oil. The stackable, non-toxic containers come with lids for microwave, freezer, and dishwasher convenience, and the see-through glass means you can monitor progress without interrupting cooking. Powerful performance, restaurant-style results, ideal for busy homes that want crispness without the grease. Number 10. Hoden Brisket Knife. A 12-inch stainless steel slicer built for clean, effortless carving of brisket, roasts, barbecue, or turkey. The razor-sharp blade and special edge reduce sticking so you get thin, uniform slices, while an ergonomic, well-balanced handle minimizes wrist fatigue. Rust-resistant and durable, this knife brings professional slicing precision to holiday spreads and everyday meal prep. RAF Bar Meat Tenderizer Attachment.
Turn tougher cuts or chicken by breaking down fibers with adjustable heavy-duty blades designed to attach to common kitchen mixers. It installs easily, tenderizes evenly without tearing, locks in marinades for deeper flavor, and speeds up cook times. Built to last and simple to clean, it's a great tool for grill lovers or anyone who wants restaurant-style tenderness at home. Comfy 16-in-1 electric pressure cooker. An 8-quart multi-cooker that handles a huge range of tasks. Pressure cook, slow cook, make yogurt, rice, sauté, steam, and more across 16 preset functions. The non-stick pot produces fast, flavorful results. Think tender roasts or fluffy rice in far less time, while built-in safety features and one-touch programs make operation easy. Big enough for family meals, designed for quick cleanup, and built for daily use. Number 13. Your Own Vegetable Spiralizer. Transform zucchini, carrots, potatoes, or apples into noodles, ribbons, or spirals with 4 blade options for creative, low-carb dishes. The sturdy, suction base keeps it stable on the counter while handling firm produce smoothly, and it's compact to store and easy to clean. If you want veggie pasta or beautiful garnishes with minimal effort, this gadget delivers pro results at home. Number 14. Taffin Swoden Electric Kettle. A 1-liter kettle with a built-in tea infuser and a keep warm setting that holds your ideal temperature. The illuminated LED ring adds a modern touch as the water boils, while auto shut-off and boil-dry protection keep things safe in dorms or offices. BPA-free and quick to heat, its sleek profile makes tea and hot water rituals effortless and mess-free. Number 15. Yomolo Digital Hand Mixer. A 400-watt DC hand mixer with 9 speed settings that tackles batters, creams, and doughs with control and power. It ships with 5 stainless steel attachments, beaters, whisks, and dough hooks that snap in easily, and a storage case keeps everything tidy and dust-free. Lightweight with ergonomic controls, it brings bakery-level mixing to home kitchens without clutter. Number 16. Gilmo's Silicone Microwave Bacon Cooker. Crisp bacon fast in the microwave on a roomy, flexible silicone tray whose raised ridges drain grease away for less greasy strips and no splatter. The heat-safe silicone pops out for dishwasher cleaning, and the flat, stackable design stores easily. For quick breakfasts or party snacks, it delivers crunchy, restaurant-style results without oven mess. Number 17. Gilmo Thick Silicone Trivets 5-pack. 5 extra thick, heat-resistant silicone mats that protect counters and tables from hot cookware. They grip securely without slipping or marking surfaces, fold flat for compact storage, and are non-stick and easy to wipe clean. Durable and practical protection, and a splash of color to everyday meals and entertaining. Number 18. Techwood Countertop Electric Stove. A compact single burner that pumps out 1,500 watts of power across a 7.3-inch cooking surface. Great for RVs, dorms, or small kitchens. Adjustable temp controls give you precise heat for simmering, boiling, or frying, while stay-cool handles and fast heat-up make it safe and convenient. Portable, sturdy, and even heating, it's a dependable extra burner for travel or tight spaces.
Number 19. Agor 2-Slice Retro Toaster. A vintage-styled 2-slice toaster with extra-wide slots to handle bagels, thick breads, waffles, or pastries. Choose from 6 browning levels and use cancel or defrost functions for the exact crispness you want. The stainless steel body produces even toasting, and the removable crumb tray makes cleanup a snap. Compact, user-friendly, and full of nostalgic charm, a reliable morning staple. Number 20. Urolux Cast Iron Citrus Juicer. A heavy-duty, extra-large manual press built like commercial gear to squeeze every drop from oranges, lemons, and limes. The cast iron construction stays steady under regular use. The lever gives mechanical advantage for effortless extraction, and the sharp reamer yields pulp-free juice ideal for smoothies, marinades, or breakfast drinks. Low maintenance and highly efficient, it often outperforms electric models for yield and flavor, perfect for health-focused kitchens. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to TryNTest. Check the product links in the description. See you next time.